Hello, welcome Construction Days channel. Let's see today's site works. Today we are going to do before plinth beams we do screed concrete.
Screed is a flat surface created with concrete or with cement sand mixed to lay the concrete. Depending on the specification, screed concrete could lay in different mixed propositions such as grade 15, grade 20, etc.
Let's see how is going. Cleaning between columns before compact soil. And use for shutters to buy 2 wood, it's easy way. Let's see closer.
Using to buy forward shutter.
We want skilled labor. Now starting concrete mixing and lay screed concrete. We use grade 15. Today it's raining. We cover new concrete. Ending concrete process. Let's see next day. It's quality work. We are removing wood and cleaning. Let's see next video plinth beams rebar work.